Hi, I'm still on my series of food that heals and food that harm, and this episode is going to be focusing on lovely garlic. Garlic is actually a family similar to species of onions that we normally use to garnish and flavor food. The one I've got here is a pack of 4 from my local supermarket, and is a miracle food, and over centuries it's been with humankind and it's always been used as a medicinal product. I'm going to peel this one up and show you what it normally looks like. To buy the perfect one, make sure it's hard, not rotten, and it's not soft. So I'm going to open this packet up, and that's what it looks like. It comes in like multiple cloves, and we cook it in different ways. You can eat it raw, you can peel it and add it into spices, use as spices in stir fries, cooking, any cooking of your choice. You can add it to garlic bread. So if you add it into bread, it becomes garlic bread. You can add it into salad dressings. You can crush it and use it in lemon tea, which I'm going to show you in this time of COVID is a good immunity booster. But having said that, I might also say that the daily recommended intake of garlic is about 4 grams, which is roughly about 1 to 2 cloves. So I'll be opening this one up because, like I said, it comes in multiple cloves. So you wrap it up. You can use a knife or your hand to break them into individual cloves. So I've got the 2 that I'm going to work with today. So different ways of peeling them. You can use a small knife to top and tail and remove the skin off the garlic, or you can place one onto your chopping board and use a knife to smash down the garlic, to crush it, and that way is probably the fastest way to do it. But I have this little gadget here, that like a little tool. You can pop it in and it crushes down the garlic into a little paste. You can see it coming through. You can also grate your garlic using a grater. Just scrub it on, and then you have a pureed garlic. You can also chop it up into small tiny slices if you prefer to do that. So there are several ways of peeling it and using it. And the only one I'm going to show you is the tea. So in a cup, I've got the pureed one. I'm going to do like 1 clove of it into my mug. I'm going to squeeze in half a lemon, and a little bit of ginger. I've had this peeled and washed, so I'm just going to grate tiny bit of ginger, not too much ginger, because ginger can be a bit difficult in digestion. So I'm going to pour a little bit of hot water into my mug, and then you have the super miracle tea for influenza and cold and catarrh. This helps the throat. It also works on your nasal passage, so it clears all the mucus out and is a good immunity booster as well. So I usually have like half a cup of this, maybe once a day or once or twice maximum a day. Like I said before, garlics are a miracle food, used as remedy for a range of illnesses. You can use it for arthritis, you can use it for cold influenza, you can use it for people with high blood pressure. It lowers your blood pressure. It also has healing properties. It can be used as antibacterial and also is a good antioxidant. So some people think that it weighs off or it can combat a number of cancer. You know, I'm not 100% sure about that, but that's what people believe. Like I said, you can eat it raw. You know, some people just, you know, munch on it like a snack. But if you're doing that, it has very sulfuric kind of gas, smelly. So if you're going to eat it raw, you have to maybe afterwards get a glass of water and rinse out your mouth. Otherwise, you're going to have a foul, smelly breath, which will be unpleasant to people who talk to you. This is best also to keep them stored dry, not in the fridge. I usually just leave mine alongside my onions, and if you peel too much of it, you can leave it in your fridge in a jar. As long as it's tightly covered, it will be fine. If you are going to leave onions or garlic in your fridge, you have to keep it away from other food because they are highly sensitive in their smell. So they can, other food in your fridge, maybe like your butter, can pick the scents coming from garlic and onions. So like I said, the best way to store it is keep it dry in your dry vegetable storage section of your kitchen, or if you are putting it in the fridge, keep it in a jar tightly covered. I hope I've been able to persuade you to use garlic in your cooking because it's a lot of medicinal benefits, health-wise, useful for the body, and is a superfood, and some people refer to it, like I said, a miracle food. Please subscribe to our channel and tick like to all our videos to keep us encouraged and coming back. Thank you, and see you in the next video.